This is exactly what happens if you're a truck driver and you don't file your taxes. Last month, the trucker came into my office telling me he owes $300,000 to the IRS. Crazy part, his actual debt was only $50,000. Here's what happened. The IRS has a secret weapon against truckers who don't file their taxes, and it could turn your $50,000 tax bill into $300,000 overnight. If you're a trucker who hasn't filed taxes in the last few years, the IRS is about to make a very expensive decision for you. There's a ticking time bomb in the IRS system for truckers who haven't filed their taxes, and it goes off about 2 to 3 years after you haven't filed. You know what keeps me up at night? Seeing hardworking truckers lose everything because of one simple mistake in their taxes. I've been helping truckers resolve their tax problems for over 20 years. I can help you too. There's one situation I see more than anything else: the dreaded substitute filed return. It's the IRS's nuclear option, and once they pull that trigger, your financial future's at stake. But here's the thing: most truckers don't even know this is coming until it's too late. The IRS countdown. What most truckers don't realize is the IRS has a specific timeline they follow. Generally about 2 to 3 years after you don't file your taxes, they start noticing those 1099s coming in with your name on them, and that's when the countdown begins. Unlike W-2 employees that have taxes automatically withheld as a 1099 contractor, you're completely on their radar. The SFR nightmare. Here's where it gets scary. The IRS will actually file your taxes for you. It's called a substitute filed return, or SFR. But they're not doing you any favors. They take every single penny reported on your 1099s and treat it as pure profit. All those fuel costs, they don't care. Maintenance expenses, doesn't matter. They ignore every single deduction you could have claimed. The snowball effect. Let's say you made $100,000 in gross income. In reality, after expenses, you might only have about $40,000 of that be taxable. But with an SFR, the IRS taxes you on the full $100,000. Then they pile on penalties and interest. I've seen $50,000 tax bills balloon into $300,000 after they completed an SFR. And here's the worst part: they can legally collect on that amount until you prove them wrong. Look, if you haven't filed your taxes yet, you need to take action before the IRS does it for you. An SFR can literally triple or quadruple your tax debt overnight. But here's the good news: if you're watching this and you haven't received an SFR yet, you still have time to fix it. And even if you have, we can help you correct it and potentially save hundreds of thousands of dollars. If you want to learn more about how to protect yourself from an SFR, click the link below and schedule a free consultation. Don't wait until the IRS makes that decision for you.